So one of the things that you can do inside of Notion is go ahead and then add in a database form as you like as well. So to do that, I can simply go around over here onto this section right here. And then you can go ahead and type in slash right here and then type in form just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that database form is an option. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, then you can see that I can actually add in a form right here with question and options that you can share around with other people. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, review today's event right here. So I'm just going to go around and say, add in comments. And then I can, let's say, for example, add in some questions like, let's say, for example, did you enjoy right here? Then I can simply go ahead and say yes and no as an option right here. Let's say, for example, let's just delete the third option. You can go ahead and add in the question, and there's different types of questions that you can add in, as you can see. Like you can add in a date question right here so that respondents can select out date. You can go ahead and include out different types of elements, as you can see as well. For example, there's date, person, files and media, number, checkboxes, and so forth, which are going to cover up as we progress along the course. So you can see that this is the form details that you can add in. And if you were to preview this, then this is how people can interact with your form right here. Select out the date, let's say, for example, and submit out the content. And then you can also go ahead and view the responses right here, just like this in the form, according to how people actually added in. So you can see that you can also go ahead and change and copy the link and share it out, share the form out with people so that you can collect out responses as well. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with database form inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.